like them. It says me out of doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. And excuse my tardiness on this because I'm still trying to get my crap back together from going to Louisiana. But this is the Icon box from Ipsy, and it's for May. Now this is quarterly, and it will take the place of either your Glam bag or your BoxyCharm bag, whichever one that you're subscribed to. And you have to be subscribed to one. It's $60 a quarter, and I believe it's $1.99 shipping. And this month's curator, or well, this season's curator, was Patrick Starrr, which I'm vaguely familiar with, but I'm not. But you open it up, and it looks like this. And they always have this egg crate type packing in it. And then this is what it looks like when you open it up. And you get this little book. It says all the values, etc. And I'm going to have to get my glasses. It's still ain't right, but oh well. Okay. But you get it. Thing that says everything. It's in the, I guess this is the front. That you could have chosen from. And it sure says the values. Yeah, it does say the values, so I will be. But I have everything listed below. This is just cock-a-jawed. But I have everything listed below and all the links, etc. and down below. And so, we will go through these one by one. And I'm sorry for my tardiness. If you're regular here, you know I went to Louisiana. When I came home, I had to change my biologics. And although they do a good job in the long run, they're kind of hard on your body when you first start them because they actually are a chemo drug. But they're intended to be at a lower dose to control my immune system. Because my immune system's crazy. Okay, I'm going to start with this. And this is Vacation SPF 30 Baby Oil. Broad Spectrum Baby Oil. Which I am an oil user. Because my skin gets so... Okay, there's a safety seal on it. My skin gets so dry in the summer. Because I have dry skin anyway, but it gets worse in the summer. On my arms and legs and things. And I can't open it. Of course not. That would be too easy. There we go. Now I got it. It has really no scent to it. Really no scent to it. And I have to admit, I kind of like the scent. Scented baby oil. Reminds me so much of summer. But it is fast absorbing. Which is good, because I like things that just, I don't like things that just linger on my skin. I just don't like that. And so let's see how much this one was. Let's see where it would be. Okay. Ooh. Oh, there it is. And it is on the dark page, a dark print. And me, with my eyes the way they are, will be lucky to read this to you. So, let's try. Okay. It's valued at $22. And I can't read the rest of the words because it's black on black. And I can't really see that well these days. But I go back in August. Hopefully she'll do something about one of them. Okay, the next thing I'm pointing out is one size Fantasize. And this is 24-hour wear. It's lifting and lengthening mascara. And it's valued at $25, and it's got coconut, argan, and castor seed oils to help condition the lashes. That's what it looks like. We'll take it out of the box. Yes. Come on. These days I'll get smart and just start opening these ahead of time. Okay, and this is what it looks like this way. Very pretty. It's very pretty. And I will show you what the, right there is what the thing looks like. It's got a slight curve to it, but I don't want to open it all the way because I have one I just opened. Let me put that there. Okay, then this is is it S-O? It's O-S. Oh, it's O-S. It goes this way. What is it? Let's see what it is. Point Made Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner Pen. It's waterproof, which I like. I don't understand, quite honestly, why you would even wear non-waterproof, especially in the summer. And I believe this OS is like, it stands for one size, and I believe that's his, but this is what it looks like. It's got like a little grippy in it, but I believe that's his brand. See? And it's just standard. Oh, I guess it's blue. Okay, I lied. It's blue. Yeah. I'll make it thicker so you can see that it's definitely blue. It's blue. Cool. Cool. I like it when they do it different. And I do believe that is. My goal is one size is the campaign Glam for All. I'm fighting for the unseen, the unheard, and the younger me who can be whoever your need and want to be all your own terms. Yeah, that is his brand. This OS is one size, and it's his brand. So that's nice. Let's see what this Kinship Insta Swipe. Let's see what it is. Must be on this one. Must be on this one. Don't see it. I know it's here. Oh, here it is. I found it. Oh, what I'm thinking about it. The mascara was, the eyeliner was $19 and the mascara was $25. I swear to God, I've been down for 3 days and nobody's called. As soon as I turn this on, anyway, this is Kinship. Insta Swipe Lemon Honey Exfoliating Pads. And it's got a seal on it. So, yeah, nobody's called. Now he's going to stop in. It's like interrupted again. Hopefully I can get this done because I have to go sit with Jerry Wing's mom tomorrow. But I just kind of want to see what these are. Oh, I see. They're like those Stridex pads. But they're supposed to exfoliate. Interesting. Yeah, that's what they look like when you open them up. So I will just... I forgot to put my little inside thing. It helps protect them. But yeah. that's what that is. They're just like a Stridex pad, but they have a exfoliator in them. So that's neat. Different. I'm trying to see what I have. Okay, I have this. This is on this page. Whatever this is. This is Dermalactives Purifying Cleansing Gel. That's a beautiful bottle. Okay, let's see what it says. Yep, that's what it says, and it's valued at $70. And I don't know if I told you, but that Kinship is $26. And this is... Come on. You can do it. There it goes. Finally got there. And that's what that looks like. It smells good. Well, can't exactly tell you what the smell is, but it does smell good. So there's that. Then, what's the next thing? Let's see where this is. Okay, yeah, I think I... Huh. I think this one's right here. So we'll do this one next. And this is POREfessional. And this is Speedy Smooth Quick Smoothing Pore Mask. And this is what it looks like inside. I didn't put the next on, forgot. And this is valued at... This is by Benefit Cosmetics, the POREfessional Speedy Mask, and it is valued at $39. It's a mask. And that's what she looks like. And then you just let it dry and wipe it off. So there's that. And then, oops, I know this one's on here somewhere, because I remember seeing it. And on these, you get, they do so many, and then you pick so many. So, I forget what it is. I believe it's 3 and 3 or something like that. But I know I picked this one. This one is Confidence Boost, Life of the Party, Prove It with Gorgeous Fragrance. This is what it looks like in the bottle. Notes of black currant and peach blossom flirt with earthy base of deliciously dizzying, undeniably magnetic aura. That is basically confidence in a bottle. And it's SENS, Life of the Party, Eau de Toilette. So we shall look. And this is the bottle. The alcohol out. does smell good. Oh, it does smell good. It's a good combination. It's a good combination, and I'm very partial to, I do not like musk or anything like that in mine, so this is really nice. And how much was the value on this? $65. I do not know what's going on with this camera today. And this is Dr.Jart Ceramidin Skin Barrier Moisturizing Cream. All you're getting is a nasty look at my kitchen. There you go. There's that. Let me see if I can find this. I don't see this anywhere. I'm going to open it. Maybe I can see it that way. It's Ceramidin Skin Barrier Moisturizing Cream. It's anywhere. So I will look on the site and figure out how much it is, and then I will put on the screen how much. Then I will put on the screen how much its value is and how much the total value of the box is. So, yeah, I don't see this anywhere. That's not. I'm really confused. Oh well. I will put that on the screen and just put it on how much the total value of the box is. And that's made the Ipsy Icon box from Patrick Starrr. So if you haven't yet subscribed, feel free to do so. We'd love to have you. Bye.